Welcome back to McCarthy Performance. Today I will be lining some head bolt holes that on these 175 Sniper X heads, big block Chevrolet. They do not line them. Customer wants them lined, so we'll line them. I usually use K&S bronze tubing. You can get that off the internet. You can get that from some hobby stores and some hardwares. But this is what I get. Anyhow, that's 500 outer diameter. So I'm going to run a core ream through it, center up on the hole. So I'm centered up on it. Then I'm going to drill it down. I don't drill it all the way through. I just go past where the break is and on the port. So I have a little stop in there. I've done this before and made a video on it. I'm going to stop right there. That's where the touch-off point is. I'm going to turn the machine off. Take the core ream out. Core drill, and now I'm going to put my core ream in the machine after I chamfer the hole. I just do this by hand because there's usually not a lot on there. Okay, burr it. And find out where I hid my core ream. Because the touch-off point on the core drill and the ream is a little different, we're going to make sure that we're just far enough down that we're out of the slot. We got a positive stop, so we're going to stop right there. Okay, that one should be ready to go. And make sure I get these burrs off the ports. I'm using my Babbitt scraper. I have a little rotary deburring tool, but I cannot find it. Okay, I'm going to check to make sure my tubes fit in without too much effort. And they do. And what I do is I sand these. You can do it in a lathe. You can just put it in a 1/2-inch drill and polish it up with a little sandpaper. So we're ready to put that first one in, and I'll put that in. Don't know how long the video will be. It's probably going to be fairly quick. Okay. I'm going to put a little 638 Loctite on this. I'm going to brush through here, make sure there's no aluminum. They look pretty good. And then I'll clean it up a little better. Okay. I'm going to put some 638 at the bottom of the hole. You don't want to put it over the whole entire sleeve. If you do that, it might start to grab. So I recommend doing just the bottom of it where you're just going to stop. Really don't need to do this, but just a little extra insurance. There we go. Okay. Then I'm going to put some up here, which I don't need to really do because I ball broach these in, and I'll show you how I do that. But I'll put some here. You really want to be careful of putting this on the whole entire sleeve because you can start driving it and it'll start hooking up and locking. It's can be a real problem driving it down, and you don't really want any resistance. Okay, hit the step off and it stopped. I'm going to visually check it, and we're past the slot in the port, or where the port is opened up. It is slotted from the head being ported that they've gone through. I've checked these. I've already done one head, and I know that these will go through all the way through. You want to make sure that it goes all the way through, and your head bolt where you've shouldered it does not stop, because then you'll have to drive it backwards, and it's not the end of the world. It's just a heck of a lot of fun doing that. Okay, so that one went right straight through, no problem. There's going to be a little more resistance on this one. That's okay, that's what we want. Okay, when I'm done, I'll show you what they look like. These are just ball broach tools. There's another video of me doing some small blocks. It's just got a little bit of round edge on it. Do that by hand on the lathe, and then file it, and then, you know, just because it don't have to be perfectly round to be a ball broach. So we're going to do the next one. I'm going to put my core drill in the machine. Okay, this is going to be our next one. Okay, so we're all set to go. I'm going to visually look down the port. I do have my stop there. It's my touch-off point. I know where I am going to be, but I still like to do this. There's my touch-off point, and that's where we're going to stop. Take the core drill out. Put the ream in the head. Some engine builders just put a little RTV on the top of the nut and washer or the head bolt and call it good. Some builders don't like that. I've done them both ways. It's not really a big deal to line it. You're not affecting the flow very much because you're not changing the diameter of the hole that much, or where the bolt would go through, or the head bolt. So we're going down with the ream. Right there. We're going to go here, and we're going to stop. is deburr the port. Because once you put the tube in, you can't do this. You want to make sure that you have a free and easy to seat this sleeve. You don't want to have it drag going in because you can have problems. That feels like it's going to go in just fine. So I like to keep these videos short. It's kind of hard for me to make anything with any length on it. People are coming in the door, knocking, customers coming, phone ringing. For a one-man shop, I pretty much have to do everything, so it's I can't do a 1 hour video on a lot of this stuff. I don't know if anybody would want to watch anything that long anyways. So I'm getting down on my 638. I don't have very much left. I'm gonna have to get me some more. It also helps when you get down to this low stuff that I put a little flat spot on a piece of welding rod, but obviously I can't see no more because I'm stuck it in the other way. Yeah, so I got 638 over everything I want it on and everything I don't want it on right now. So we're going to put a little at the top, and that's like I explained it before. Seated. Sounds like it stopped. We want to visually check it. It is. It's all the way down. Yes, it's all the way down. Okay, and I'll run my small ball broach through it. A little oil on it. That one goes through. I'll be doing some more big block Chevrolet videos. I've been building big blocks for quite a while. So that's kind of my favorite engine to build. But I built a lot of different ones. But I feel very comfortable working on big blocks because I've been building them all my life. So I'll show you what we did. I'm hesitant to use the air compressor because it's tied right into the main power. If I blow it and it turns on, you're not going to hear me. So okay, we got that one all lined up and done. I'll show you what we did. You can see that there's a liner in here now. There's a liner in here now. We don't have to worry about any kind of oil migration or leaks of any type whatsoever. It's probably really hard to see it. These heads, obviously you can tell that these are semi-finished heads. That's the way I buy them. So I'll be milling them, doing a valve job on them. So there'll probably be a few more videos of these heads. Though right now I have about 4 other sets of heads to do right now in the shop. But you can see a little bit of that one. It's really hard to see it. Let me get some light on it and see if we can see it. Yeah, you can see it. It's right there. And then that one's right there. Like I said, you can barely see it. But that closes up the ports, and that's what the customer wanted. That's what we did. There'll be some more videos and some big block stuff, and I work on everything, but you know, there'll be definitely more big block Chevrolet stuff. So if you're looking for it, stay tuned. There'll be more on the channel. Thanks for watching.